you are a curly girl who does not clarify your hair or does not clarify your hair regularly or are just confused about clarifying, this is the YouTube video for you. I'm going to be reviewing and chatting about the Odele Clarifying Shampoo. And we're going to be talking about why clarifying your hair is absolutely necessary. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica. I love curly hair. All my curly hair videos on this channel are all going really in depth inside of popular curly hair products. So make sure you take a look at our other videos if you have a product that you are curious about. I am sure that we've probably reviewed it. I own a curly hair subscription service called Curls Monthly, and the Odele Clarifying Shampoo is inside of our July 2024 Curls Monthly mailer. And before I even get into this video, please drop in the comments how many times a month you clarify your hair. Let's just get it out of the way right now. So some fast facts about this clarifying shampoo. I love that it's super affordable. I always see this brand at Target. It's a really great small brand with really great prices. It is a Curly Girl Method approved clarifying shampoo, and you don't always see Curly Girl Method approved clarifying shampoos out and about, especially at a lower price. It does have some protein. It gives a super thorough cleanse, hence clarifying shampoos. And it also gets rid of hard water and chlorine deposits, which is great for the summer. It's going to help neutralize your hair, and I love on the Odele website they said to give you that sort of birthday suit hair, which is such a fun way of basically putting that. It's going to make your hair be really completely clean at ground zero, so you're able to build on top of that. Definitely, I would say that this shampoo is amazing for fine hair, it's amazing for oily hair, and amazing for high porosity hair. Now, maybe people with drier, naturally drier hair types or lower porosities hairs might want to be a little bit careful, but I really think that it's a great shampoo. It's great to use. If you have those problems, then you might just want to be following up with a really deep moisture treatment afterwards. So just make sure that you are replenishing your hair with great healthy moisture. I'm going to link right here a video all about how to shampoo your hair. So you can and should certainly use that video. I go over shampooing twice, exactly how to place the shampoo on your scalp. It's kind of crucial. So if you haven't watched that video, please go do it. But basically the directions on the bottle say to work into wet hair, rinse and follow with conditioner, use once per week. Now, you might not want to use a clarifying shampoo once per week, but you definitely do want to make sure that your curly, wavy, coily hair routine has a clarifying shampoo within it. Now, before I get into the ins and outs of clarifying, let's look at the ingredients inside this product that make this product this product. As I always say, the front of the bottle might tell you one thing, but it's always the back of the bottle that cannot lie. So I love going through the ingredients with you guys. I think it's super, super helpful. So after water, we have sodium C14-16 olefin sulfonate. I talked about this ingredient a lot on this channel, so if you've watched my videos before, you've heard me talk about it. But basically, that is a really great chelating plus clarifying agent. This ingredient is crucial to very, very gently clarifying your scalp. So it's basically a sulfate-free version of a sulfate. It's going to do what a sulfate does in terms of it's going to be really great for getting that oil and dirt off of your hair, but it's not as drying as a sulfate. So it's the perfect curly girl method approved way to clarify your hair. That is the star ingredient in this shampoo. Then we have cocamide propyl hydroxysulfonate. That's actually a conditioning agent, which I think is cool to have right after the surfactant. Then we have dimethyl mysturamide. That's another surfactant, meaning that's also going to cleanse your hair. Then we have caudatus seed extract. It's a great conditioning agent. Followed up with hydrolyzed rice protein, which is the protein inside this product. Protein is going to be great for helping your hair bounce and maintain its shape over the days. Panthenol is amazing for shine. Polyquaternium 10 really helps with frizz. And then that ingredient after it, the tretosodium glutamate diacetate, that is actually a chelating agent as well. So basically what a chelating agent does is it helps get the mineral builds off of your hair. Hence why this brand claims that it'll get your hair back to its birthday suit, because it's really great for removing mineral hard water buildups. Everybody needs to be clarifying. Now, it depends on your hair how much you're clarifying. Whenever I get DMs asking me for help, the first question I always ask is, when is the last time you clarified your hair? And more often than not, the answer is either a really long time ago or never. Even though I talk about all the time you should clarify your hair, People just don't listen. Clarifying shampoos are essential to curly life, and here's why. First of all, we use a lot of product. In order to get our curls to last and stay days and days, you're probably putting a lot of product on there. It goes through a lot through the day-to-day. These products build up on your scalp and your hair. And clarifying shampoos kind of erase that product buildup. When that product buildup is erased, then your curls suddenly magically start to curl better. They start to curl more. They start to curl more evenly. Suddenly these weird spots on your hair are now curling and flourishing. Suddenly your hair is growing more. Suddenly your hair looks more healthy. It is essential. It really is essential. The other side of the coin is when you have buildup, your curls just start acting funky. They're gonna frizz more, they're gonna curl less. They'll look greasy and honestly like low-key smell bad. Clarifying shampoos are essential. Now, how often you clarify depends person to person. So basically everybody should be clarifying about 2 to 4 times a month. So if you're the 4 times, if you're looking at like the 3 or 4 times a month, you probably have naturally very oily hair. You probably naturally have hair that gets built up with product very easily. Then in that case, you're probably going to shampoo with a clarifying shampoo about once a week. So that would be that 4 times a week. Now, if you're like me, you have drier hair, your hair like never will be oily ever in your life, that's when you're gonna wanna do like maybe 1 or 2 times a month. I usually will do 1 or 2 times a month, and basically I'll just do a really thorough cleanse at that time and give myself like exactly what my hair needs that day. You're gonna know that your hair needs to be clarified if your curls start acting wonky. So if your curls are just not curling how they normally curl, they're weird, they're out of shape, they're out of whack. Maybe your curls fall limp, that's another reason. Like if your curls start to like wimp out, that would be a reason to clarify. And then especially if your curls get frizzy right around the roots, we call that halo frizz, that's also a sign that you need to clarify. But even if you don't see those signs and you haven't clarified in a few weeks, go clarify your hair. Now that I've bullied you into clarifying, I'm so grateful that you watched this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.